Thanks for tuning into this episode of On Target, where we talk about tips, tactics, and strategies that will help improve your automotive advertising. Today's going to be a fun topic. A lot of dealers aren't getting involved with it, but we're going to talk specifically on how to sell cars and tires on YouTube. So, let's give a little background. Here's what we know. Google owns YouTube. Google, #1 search engine in the world. YouTube, #2 search engine in the world. What most people don't understand is the average person, the average driver who owns a car here in the United States spends 40 minutes every time they log into YouTube. That's the equivalent of 2 network TV programs minus all the commercials. That's a lot of time. Now, what percentage of those guys are going over there? About 80%. And right now, today, just over 10% of dealerships are actually actively participating. So when we look at the marketing landscape, I see a lot of potential buyers and not much competition. So I see great opportunity in that. And here's what we also know. Car buyers have specifically told us what it is they're looking for with the YouTube video. When it comes to buying cars, they are looking for walk-around videos, product demonstrations, virtual test drives. They're looking for information on your dealership. They want to see the people. They want to see the layout. They've told us all this. And when it comes to automotive purchases, people have told us specifically that they are looking for upwards of 10 videos prior to walking into a dealership store. 10 videos. That's a lot of video content before they go and actually choose a dealership to walk in. This is a great platform for you to get involved with and actually start marketing your dealership without a lot of competition. You know, everybody's on Facebook, everybody's on Marketplace, Instagram's getting super crowded, right? All these things, all the listing services. Here is a platform for you to get involved with without a lot of competition. A lot of buyers, not a lot of competition. I see that as great opportunity. So let's take a few minutes and discuss the specific type of videos that your customers have asked to see. #1 thing they've asked to see, virtual test drive. This is where you can have some fun and get really creative with actually showing the vehicle in motion. Get yourself a GoPro, get a nice handheld unit, and just head down the highway. Show the vehicle in motion. Now, you could show your lineup of trucks, you could show your lineup of SUVs, or you could get really specific on that one piece of inventory that you have for sale. But either way, what you want to do is show the vehicle in motion because the customer wants to see, hey, would I look good in that vehicle? What does it look like going down the road, down the country highway? Again, have some fun, get creative with it. The platform allows for creativity. That's what people are actually looking for. So let's just give them what they want. So following up the virtual test drive, the second thing they've asked for is a walk-around video. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory, right? You're going to get the camera, you're going to walk around the vehicle. You're going to show the vehicle in great detail, interior, exterior, pop the hood, show the tires, show the brakes, show the undercarriage, show all the things that they're looking for. Again, so before they come out to make a decision to go to your dealership and take a look at this vehicle, you actually have it all posted online. Now, this will also help aid in the whole digital retailing phenomenon that's going on. People want to be confident before they come out to your dealership that this is the right car for them. They don't want to have a surprise. So show the product, show it up and close, get personal with it. And again, have some fun with it. You can get really creative with this. Wide angles, close-up angles, handheld units, put it on a tripod. Just go out and give them what they want and show off the vehicle. Now, if you're an independent car dealer, the one area of content that is grossly missing on YouTube, but I believe could truly help your dealership, and that is in the how-to category, mainly as it relates to financing. How to get finance for a first-time car buyer, how to get finance with bad credit, how to get financed if you're self-employed. There's a lot of people that just have questions when it comes to finance, and it's not being answered. Now, you have to be careful. Obviously, you can't make any guarantees. There's truth in lending disclosures that need to be put out there. But by providing the content and a step-by-step platform that will tell the people what they need to bring, what's going to be required of them, this could really help streamline your process and, again, raise the level of awareness of your dealership by making you that place that's sharing this information, so it just makes it easier for people to buy a vehicle from you and not the guy down the street. So we've spent a lot of time discussing kind of organic type content and content that could be synced to your social media platforms and your website that will again just help your dealership get found, get seen, give consumers what they want. But there's another thing that YouTube can be used for, which a lot of dealers are just skipping right over, and that is basically becoming the local cable TV company. Well, YouTube provides you as a dealership, and it's extremely affordable right now, mainly because a lot of people aren't participating yet, is by actually running highly targeted ads at in-market car buyers, in-market truck buyers, and running your video as an ad, just like you would do on TV. You would do this through the Google Ads platform. You would run a video campaign. You would pick your video. You could run non-skippable ads, bumper ads, longer form how-to ads, whatever type of ad that you choose that you would want. Pick your target, pick the type of buyer you want, pick the geographic region, you'd set a budget, and then your video would run. If the person's got it on a phone, they're watching the video, it'll have a link right back to your website, and you could have an opportunity to really start selling a lot more cars directly through YouTube. We have seen this really explode in just the last couple years as YouTube is really becoming kind of the world's largest video distribution system. I can get anything I want on YouTube, right? News, sports, drama, custom programming, all kinds of things are available right there. And so you, as a dealer, can go and run a 5-second ad, a 15-second ad, a 30-second ad, and drop it right into that program right before that person's getting ready to watch that content. Link it back to your website. We also know through the targeting that Google makes available, you could target specifically that in-market buyer. So I would really encourage you as a dealership to take a look at this and get involved. Carve out a little bit of budget and see what happens. Put a tracking code on it. You can see exactly what's happening with that video, and I really believe you will see direct results and be able to start selling more cars right through YouTube. So there you have it. Organic videos, paid videos, using YouTube to get involved with selling more cars and being much more effective with your marketing and your advertising campaign. So thanks for checking out this episode of On Target. And be sure to check out our other videos and how-to articles that are over on the website. And we look forward to seeing you next time on Target.